honey butter bracelet. Too much oil leaking. New belt. Old belt.
Or something, because obviously it's hydraulic. It's a hydraulic, you need bleed or something.